Oi! Ready to work?
How nice is this piece of wood?
Okay. Today we're working on the separation between the living area and the driving area. We're gonna try to cut a small hole in there. An opening in that wall. Art and craft. We have an opening. Now a bit of filing, then a lot of sanding, and then we can paint the wall. Today we're working on the kitchen cabinet. We're gonna do some doors and drawers in there.
So we gave up at the end and we bought some real and good drawer slides. The plan for today is to finish the kitchen unit, or at least to have all the drawers that are ready to fit in. Let's get to work. Before painting it in white, and so we just wanted to figure out what is the design that we're looking for. We're gonna attach some of those oak stripes.
I think if we do a bit of contouring around the doors, it's gonna look nice.
finish it today. Because it's been 1 month that we've been working on it, so then we can move forward with all the others. Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Bam! We have a kitchen. Voila! 90% over. We still have some
Details.
last retouches.
Finishes. So we have
Show us what we have.
drawer, another big drawer here, another big drawer here. We have some arrangement here. We have the countertop extension here. Quite happy with the work.